What's going, guys? Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Deep Exploration Code. Let's learn today how to make step by step an abstract cube with Blender 3D from scratch as shown in the following figures. After opening Blender, we go to Modify Properties, then to Add Modifier, and finally to Wireframe. Then we will uncheck Replace Original. Thereafter, we will click once again on Add Modify and then on Wireframe. Now we change the value of thickness to 0.2. After that, we will click once again on Add Modify and then on Subdivision Surface. Then we will uncheck Replace Original. We then change the level's number of subdivisions to 5. The abstract cube is finished. Now let's click on Viewport Shading. After that, we click on Shader Editor. Afterwards, we go to Add, then to Search, then we write Color, and finally we select Color Ramp. Next, we will link Color Ramp to Principal BSDF as follows. After that, we go once again to Add, then to Search, then we write Noise, and finally we select Noise Texture. Next, we link Noise Texture to Color Ramp as follows. We go now to Add, then to Search, then we write Mus, and finally we select Musgrave Texture. And we link it to Noise Texture as follows. Afterwards, we go once again to Add, then to Search, then we write Map, and at the end we select Mapping. And we link it to Musgrave Texture as follows. Next we click on Add, then to Search, then we write Texture, and finally we select Texture Coordinate and we link it to Mapping as follows. Now we change the color of the abstract cube to a brown color that looks like the color of the wood. Afterwards, we change the value of roughness to see if there are any interesting changes. After that, we change the value of detail to 15. Then we go to mapping and we change the value of scale in y-axis to 0.5 and x-axis also to 0.5 to get an impression that we have wood. The abstract cube is now finished. Thanks for watching and I hope to see you next time.